Okay, there we go. Taking out the screws. Hello, my name is Joe. I live in Brooklyn, New York. And I got into scrapping about 3 years ago when I got sober from abusing drugs and alcohol. And I now find myself digging through garbage, looking for things to scrap out, because I'm beginning to understand the value, that's in the trash. So I'll just start off with this one. This is my first ceiling fan that I will be scrapping out. Hope to make it a regular thing. I've already been cutting cords, for the insulated copper wire, and anything that breaks down in the house, pretty much, I get first dibs at it. Take out the parts that I feel. I have a magnet, and I haven't brought anything to the scrapyard yet. I've just been saving up. I got a nice amount of copper wire stripped already. Just see how this goes here. Okay. Sweet. I'm recording this off of my phone straight up, so I don't really have a all bells and whistles, fancy, computer or nothing like that. I do stream. I do play games. I stream on Twitch, but I don't really have a way to stream this effectively, so I'm recording this live now, and then I will upload it most likely to YouTube. I have a YouTube channel, but haven't done anything with it, so see where this takes me. Let's see here. I've recently scrapped out a microwave. My first microwave. I got the magnetron out of it. I managed to get this nice magnet out of it. I was very careful with the magnetron because of the whole beryllium issue. And now, yesterday, me and my lady were out doing food shopping. We're on foot in Brooklyn here, so I don't own a car. There's no reason to drive, for me at least, in New York City with all the trains and buses. So we're walking back from the shopping mart for food shopping, and my lady spots this ceiling fan. So I had to grab it. I just put it right on top of our little wagon, and today I'm here scrapping it out. Hope this brings some enjoyment. Like I said, I'm new to this, only been doing it for 3 years, but not really like hardcore like others that I watch. As you know, I don't really have the space to be hoarding all everything, but we all got to start somewhere, right? So. Okay. Oh, sweet. Now look at what we got here. Very nice. Oh, it's a little dark, huh? Let me put a light on just to illuminate the situation here. Cool. I gotta get my cutters. I carry these with me everywhere we go in my book bag when we go out, because you never know when you're gonna come across something. Okay, so looks like not really too sure, to be honest with you, but we're gonna figure it out. Let's do this. Take this bottom piece off. Background, I guess a little bit about myself. I've done heavy labor since the age of like 16. So I've done all the tiling, roofing, siding, construction, framing, roofing on both sides, industrial and residential. Okay. Well, I think these can be cut. There you go. So take the magnet. It's steel, so that'll go aside for now. Alright, it's just probably doing a lot of things wrong there, but you know, it's my literally my first ceiling fan I've ever scrapped, so bear with me. I'm sure you guys will let me know in the comments once I upload it, of course. Okay, that's the ground. one thing I've never done, or don't have that much experience in, is electrical. Might be something I might want to look into. Maybe. I am in my 40s, so a lot of my life before now was just insanity, drinking and drugging, not really giving a shit about anything. So it's cool now to be able to do something, that's not going to get me killed or in trouble. Okay, so what do we got here? Okay. Right on. Just check it over here. Garbage, garbage, garbage. Alright. We'll deal with that a little later. A little tiny little circuit board here for the switch. I'm assuming. Yeah, okay. Metal. Not really sure how this got all tangled like this, but it is what it is, right? So there you go. Cool. Okay. So around here, Tuesdays are recyclable and garbage days, so I try to go out on those days only, looking for scrap. But like I said yesterday was Saturday and we came across this, so who knows how much I'm missing out by not going out more often, But this isn't like I'm trying to get rich quick or something. It's just a hobby, that's all. And if I bring the stuff into the scrapyard, I get paid for it, so that's cool. That works for me. Oh, here comes our cat. Hi, Mimi. You gonna come inspect on what I'm doing? She's a good cat. Nice little something to do, Easter holiday. Have a job interview lined up for Tuesday, so hopefully that goes well. Haven't worked since March of 2020 because when COVID came through and was ravaging New York City, the job I was with at that time I was driving a forklift for a plumbing and heating supply warehouse in Queens. He had to furlough some workers, so I was one of them to go. So I kind of, I look at it as COVID robbed me of learning part of that business. I was a warehouse, forklift operator / learning shipping and receiving. And the job was insane. Our boss was a maniac. But I won't go too much into that here. This is mainly about scrapping, right? But I feel like I should introduce myself and, just hopefully get to know some of you from the YouTube community. I watch a lot of different YouTubers. So while I've been silently scrapping, I've also been scrapping with some of you on, watching you guys, listening to you guys scrap, go out on your runs, what you find. And it is exciting. I tell most people about it and they're like, you watch people dumpster diving and scrapping out stuff? I'm like, yeah. That's what I do. That's what I do. And, like I said before, and I play video games, stream it on Twitch. But, so, this might be going slow for you guys. I don't know. I'm sure I'll hear about it when I upload it, all the comments. I'm usually good at taking constructive criticism, so anything you guys felt I've done wrong here, just let me know, and I'll try to adjust it next time I'm uploading a video to YouTube about scrapping. I will probably end up just using the YouTube for scrapping stuff and keep the Twitch for the gaming stuff. There you go. Well, we're 17 minutes in. Out of a 40-minute video, I can record it off my phone. So that's cool. This should be, if I have to clip it or pause it just to make room for what you guys really want to see, I'll do that. I'm about almost 20 minutes in, so. That's not good. That fell in there. Excuse me. Okay, cool. I'm getting down to it. Oh. Okay, this can come off. Goes in the garbage. Yep. Okay. Okay. Cool. Okay. Okay.
Hi.
Mm-hmm.
How you doing there?
Okay. So. Well, I hope this ends up being something that you guys would be interested in. It's not going to be daily or anything like that. Just if I get something that I think you guys would like to see scrapped out, I'll throw it on up. Maybe one of the videos will be some tools that I own, that I have, or how my copper basket's looking. I intend to fill it and then bring it. So we'll see how this goes. Okay. All right. Very cool. I'd like to get in there, but oh, there, I see the screws. I see it. Okay, cool. I do have a drill. It's a old school one where you plug it in and you gotta use it. I may have to use it because I don't think I can get these out. We'll see. Never mind. Yeah. May have to use that. Just because it's awkward to try to... I don't want to strip my... Yeah. Shit. Okay. Sorry about that. Took me some time to get my drill set up. Okay. Oh. I see you. Uh-oh. One thing I don't have is the extender. So hopefully these come out nice. There, sweet. I don't see any other screws. Missing something? Yeah. Everything looks like it's out. Okay, well, I guess that's as far as I can go, apparently. Probably have to cut this open. And we'll take it from there. Alright, well. Sorry, folks, couldn't get to the actual copper in there, but if I end up figuring out how to get us, cut it open and oh, wait a minute. No, okay. Well, that's it for now. For those that are going to watch this when it's uploaded, please leave your comments and let me know what you think. Would you like to see more, or is there enough scrapping videos on YouTube? Okay. Peace, and everyone be good to each other, right? Thank you.